Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about E-Raksha Competition 2020. This is the first ever competition in the world based on digital citizenship and online safety. Let us know how to take part in this competition. Before visiting the official website, I would like to draw your attention towards its logo. If you can see the logo, it's written making netizens responsible and safe. Now, why it is written netizens and not citizens? Our learning starts from here. Netizens means a user of the internet, especially a very habitual one, and this word is a combination of two words, internet and citizen. This competition is initiated by Central Institute of Educational Technology NCERT in collaboration with Cyber Peace Foundation and National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Let us start with the eraksha.net. Click on the link and scroll down the page. There are three categories of participants. Category 1 is for school students, Category 2 is for college students, and Category 3 is for teachers, parents, and guardians. This competition was started on 30th June 2020 and the last date of the registration is 30th September 2020. Now click on competitions. A window will appear where you can see 5 types of competitions. These competitions are Artcade, Tech Avishkar, Word Hack, Screen Master, and Cyber Peace Honors. Now if you want to know more about each competition, click on Know More as you can see on the screen. After clicking on Know More, a new window will be appeared where the whole information is given about the competition. Tech Avishkar is the best competition to project your technical skills. It is based on artificial intelligence and machine learning. WordHack is the most popular and favorite competition of the students. It is based on writing skills, but remember, school students can participate only for the story writing and essay writing competitions. In this competition, you can create a video in the form of short movie, awareness video, songs, satire, documentary, etc. Cyber Peace Honor is an award to be given to those individuals who are working or worked on online safety and cyber security. This competition will give you the opportunity to showcase your creativity and present your ideas at national level. The winners will receive trophies and certificates. The shortlisted candidates will receive appreciation certificates and all participants will receive participation certificates. Now the most important question is how to participate. Register yourself for the competition in which you feel you can do your best. Click on register now. There are 4 sections: category of participation, personal details, contact details, and competition details. In category of participation, you have to fill whether you are school student, college student, teacher, parent, or guardian. Second is personal details, in which you have to fill your name, date of birth, class, school name, city, and state. Third section is all about contact details. The last section of registration is competition details. Please pay attention. This is not only the last section of registration but final submission too. Here you have to upload your creative work, then click on 3 consent forms, put your signature in the given box and submit. Please follow the guidelines written here. These guidelines are for the Artcade competition. When you click on Know More for each competition, you will get different guidelines. Focus on theme digital citizenship and online safety. Presently, you will send your entries in digital form, but keep the original work safe so that you can present it at the time of award ceremony if selected. On behalf of NVS and JNV Kanpur Dehat, I request all the students, teachers and parents to show their caliber through E-Raksha competition. There is no registration fee for this competition, so what are you waiting for? Take part and show your talent. You can send your queries in the comment box. I will get back to you. So register now. All the best.